everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today's video is just going to be a spring/summer haul. I know that we are in June now, but a good majority of the things I got were from the spring that I had planned on doing a haul for, but never got around to doing. So I figured I would just combine a spring and summer haul, since a lot of you guys have requested that I do more hauls here on my channel. And I will try to have as many of the products that I show in this video listed down below. And if I can't find the exact product, I will try to find one that is similar. I do also have a few clips of me trying some of these on from back when I was going to upload this spring. I do not think I have clips of everything, but I do know I have clips for some. And if I do have clips, I will go ahead and put them up when I am showing each item. And if you guys like my hauls and would like me to do more, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get started. First, we are going to start with Old Navy, and I just got 4 shirts. And like always, I have a ton of stripes and polka dots. The first shirt is just a V-neck, navy blue and white striped short sleeve shirt. My favorite shirts come from Old Navy. They always have the softest shirts and they hold up really well. And they're also always affordable, which is nice. I got this one for $4 and it is part of the Luxe line. The Luxe line is definitely my favorite. It is a high-low shirt, so if you're wearing leggings, it covers your butt pretty well. Another striped shirt I got from their Luxe line is this one. It is a red top with white stripes, and I got this one for $5. And this one just has the regular circle neck and will be great for those summer nights or summer days when it's really cool out. One other shirt I got from the Luxe line is this one, and this was also $5, and it is just a really light blushed pink / purple long sleeve shirt. And again, it does have the high-low like the other one, so it will cover your butt if you're wearing leggings. Even though it is summer, I definitely think I'll get some use out of it, and even if I don't, I can wear it all throughout the fall and winter. And then the last shirt that I got from Old Navy is not from the Luxe line, but I still absolutely love it, and I got this for I think $1.50, and it is just this salmony colored button-up top with white polka dots on it. It's not showing up true to color on camera. It's more of like a salmony, pinky, corally color than a bright orangey red that is showing. It has sort of a peplum back to it. And then I really like these sleeves because they are cuffed with an elastic, so you can easily roll this shirt up and it'll stay. I always tend to really like these shirts that are cuffed with an elastic end because they make sliding it up on your arm a lot more easy and it'll stay. Moving on to Kohl's, I just got 7 things. 2 of them are tops and 5 of them are bottoms. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the tops. And this is just the first one. It is just an oversized long sleeve V-neck, and it has various colors of stripes. It also has a pocket on it and is high-low at the bottom. And this was $4.50. And then I just got a nicer shirt that can be worn to nicer events, or if I want to look a little bit more put together and cute. And this is just what it looks like. It is a cream color with different flowers on it, and I got this for $3. It is almost a full button up. It buttons all the way down to the bottom where there is this elastic waistband almost, and then it just has a V-neck with a tie, and it has the sleeves that are cuffed with the elastic. And this is one of those shirts that you can wear to nicer events and is something that'll go great with leggings or even jeans. Moving on to bottoms, I think I mentioned that I had 5 pairs, but I actually only have 4. 3 are shorts and 1 is a pair of pants. I'm going to start with the pair of pants, and it is just a pair of regular black skinny jeans. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of black jeans, and they go with pretty much everything, so I definitely wanted to get some. And these were on sale for $10. The one thing that I absolutely hate about these though is that they do not have real pockets in the front. They are the type of pockets that are sewn shut, but it looks like there's a pocket. But these fit great, and I've already worn them a ton ever since I got them. Similar to the black jeans, I also did not have a pair of black shorts, so I went ahead and got some, and these ones were $12.50, and they are just black. I really like that they have actual pockets, and they are a pair of high-rise shorts. And then I just got 2 pairs of denim shorts, both of which are mid-rise and are the same exact brand and company, just different colors. This one is a light wash and this one is like a medium wash. And like the other shorts, I like that these have real pockets. Next, we have TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I just have 4 things. I got 1 pair of pants, and these are just what they look like. They are a pair of army green soft pants that are cuffed at the bottom, and it has like a ruffled waistband, and these were $7.99. And then I just got 3 tops. The first one is a waffle print ribbed V-neck button-up tank top, and then at the very bottom it has one of those ties. I absolutely love this. I think it's adorable, and this was on sale for $2, and I'm assuming it's from last year. And then I just have this sweater. I think I've included this in a favorites video already. It is just an oatmeal cream colored sweater, and it is like a crochet pattern, and it's sort of off the shoulder, and then the back just has a knot and is open, and I've been pairing this with a bralette, and it looks super cute. And because it is crocheted, it is super thin and super light, and this sweater was $5.99. And lastly, from TJ Maxx, I got this open cardigan. I absolutely love open cardigans. I hate cardigans that button. I never wear them buttoned up. So whenever I find a really comfy, nice looking open cardigan, I always tend to get it. This one is just like a burnt umber color, and I got this for $7.99. It has 3/4 sleeves, and then it goes down pretty far in the back. And I've been wearing this a ton with just a pair of jeans or a pair of leggings. Next, I got 1 top from American Eagle, and it's part of their soft and sexy line, which is my absolute favorite. This is just what this one looks like, and it was $18.50. It is a darker yellow color with cream colored stripes, and it has buttons down a portion of the front of it, and it is a long sleeve shirt. And I mainly got this so that I can wear it this fall because it is a great fall color. And lastly, I have stuff from Walmart. I have 5 pairs of bottoms, and I've talked about all of these on my channel because if you didn't know, Walmart has possibly the best leggings ever, and they're $4.44. 99% of my leggings come from Walmart. They are comfortable. They hold up great. I have leggings from Walmart from like 3 years ago that still look brand new. Not to mention, they have plain colors, but they also have fun ones, which all of the ones I'm showing you today are pretty fun. So this is the first pair, and I actually got these for $2, and they are just a tie-dye printed legging, and they are a pink, blue, and yellow, and these are actually a size bigger than I normally get, but I really like the pattern, and I can shrink them in the dryer if needed. Then I got this really fun pair that is just a like tie-dye red, white, and blue, and I specifically got these for around the 4th of July, and maybe even on the 4th of July if it's a little bit cooler than normal. And I'm still gonna wear these even when it's not the 4th of July because I love the way they look. And these are both by the brand No Boundaries. And then I had never seen these before until this year, and I got a bunch of pairs, and these are by No Boundaries as well, and they are literally the exact same thing as the leggings. They're just in a shorts form, and I just got 3 pairs, and these were each $3.98. So the first pair is just navy blue with white stars. Again, I thought these would be great for the 4th of July. And then I got 2 pairs of tie-dye ones. I got a pair that has greens and blues, and then I also got a pair that has pinks and oranges. So that is just my spring and summer haul for you guys. You may have already seen some of these pieces here on my channel, whether I was showing it or wearing it. And if that is the case, that means that I got it in the spring and just never got around to doing my spring haul. Like I keep mentioning, if you guys would like me to do more hauls here on my channel, definitely let me know down below. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos regularly and would love if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!